Are you looking for the best yoga mat in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best yoga mat. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BalanceFrom GoYoga All-Purpose Yoga Mat. If you prefer extra padding and regularly carry your mat around, it's worth considering a foam yoga mat. Made from high-density foam, the BalanceFrom GoYoga All-Purpose Yoga Mat is 10 mm thick, the thickest on our list, and weighs just 1.8 pounds, lbs. 0.8 kilograms. The mat is a go-to for fitness trainer Courtney Verdon, who tells Healthline, "This high-quality yoga mat has a lot of cushion and provides a great non-slip surface. It's also affordable and has a strap that makes it easy to carry around." Several online reviews complain that the mat tears easily and has a strong, unpleasant odor when it arrives. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gaiam Premium Yoga Mat. If you prefer a thicker mat, the Gaiam Premium Yoga Mat is a great option. It's thick enough to provide gentle cushioning and padding while still allowing enough stability for balance poses. It's also affordable and easy to clean, and it rolls up nicely. This mat earns high marks from Healthline Nutrition and Fitness Market editor Kelly McGrain, MS, Road, and has been her go-to mat for more than 5 years. McGrain shares, "I highly recommend this yoga mat for anyone needing extra joint support during floor workouts." In addition to offering 6 mm of spongy yet supportive material, the mat also features a textured non-slip surface to keep you from slipping and sliding. I also love that the mat is available in a wide variety of colors and prints, making it a great gift too. Frequent customer complaints include that the mat sheds bits of PVC and the paint flakes. At number 3, we have the Manduka PROlite Yoga Mat. The Manduka PROlite is a favorite among yoga instructors and practitioners. The mat is available in 9 colors and is sustainably made in Germany without toxic emissions. What's more, it comes in 3 sizes, standard, long and wide, to accommodate users of all sizes. The mat gets the seal of approval from Kelly Turner, VP of Training and Experience at Yoga 6. She says, "My favorite yoga mat is the Manduka PROlite. It's thick enough to support my tender knees if practicing on hardwood or tile but small enough to lug around if I'm walking to a class in a city." Elise Greenspoon, a yoga teacher and healing therapist, also loves this mat. "My absolute all-time fave is the Manduka PROlite. It's super durable, comfortable, and reasonably lightweight. Plus, it's appropriately priced." At number 2, we have the Aurorae Synergy 2-in-1 Yoga Mat. If you're tired of schlepping a mat and towel to class every day, only to have that towel bunch up on the mat and be a distraction, the Aurorae Synergy solves all of these problems. It's a microfiber towel bonded to a purr bottom that you throw in the wash after each use, and it comes out smelling clean each time. This mat is a little pricey, but since it's a towel and a mat, it's a great value. It's well made and durable. We've now used this mat once a week for over a year, and even after 60+ classes, it still looks and works great. Unfortunately, it doesn't provide the same amount of traction as some sticky mats on their own, but the friction is better than some towels that we've used, and you don't have to fuss with it during your practice. If you practice in a heated room, this innovative hybrid mat is a great choice. 2 for 1, this mat-towel combo is a good deal compared to purchasing each separately, though you may have to buy 2 if you practice a lot. And finally at number 1, we have the Yoloha Unity Cork Yoga Mat. The Yoloha Native Cork Mat is the best in our review for its excellent overall performance. It stands out for its cork rubber blend, which qualifies it as one of the best across the metrics. It's comfortable, stable, and provides excellent traction, whether your palms are dry or sweaty. It has a closed cell surface, which increases durability and decreases absorption, leaving the mat smelling fresh and minimizing wear and tear. It doesn't stink like rubber, like other mats, and is incredibly portable without sacrificing comfort. The biggest downside to this mat is its durability. When we used this mat on a grassy surface, the cork separated, and a large crack formed as a result. If you're looking for a great all-around mat that can handle a vigorous vinyasa class but is still comfortable enough for a yin practice, this is a great option. Just be sure to use it on harder surfaces. The Yoloha is our first choice if shopping for a new mat. If it does not provide enough support, simply roll it over for more. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.